Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So for this video, the technique I'm going to be doing is the swipe and spin technique. And I usually use either black or white for the cell activator, but I wanted to do something different, and this time I used copper. And I'm really liking the copper as a cell activator. I like the metallic sparkle, and yeah, I think it looks really good. I'm not too crazy about the other colors. I don't really like how they blended together. It's not my usual color palette that I would use, but I wanted to try something different. But I do think this copper would look really good with other darker colors. So I might be trying that out pretty soon in a video coming up soon. So the colors that I used as well as the formula will be listed in the description box. I also have some online courses that are available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. I have this technique, the swipe and spin technique. I have a gradient Dutch pour course and some other courses as well. So please check those out if you would like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.